Welcome back, Twisted Gearheads. Got the gauges installed. Dyno day. And what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are tuning the B20B. I just installed these 750cc injectors at that location. We are at RP Tuned today in Forney, Texas. He is gonna tune my car, stock bottom end, stock head, stock internals. Everything is all stock except for the stage 2 cam, Brian Crower cams, brand new Gates timing out, and brand new VMS cam gears. Now, the gauges were all off of Facebook Market. That's the reason I'm calling this build a budget build. Everything is on Facebook Market, Amazon, and eBay. No high quality parts except for like the Honda and the cams, but those were purchased used. Okay, the ECU was purchased used on Facebook Marketplace. Those gauges were purchased used, open box, but were brand new. The box was open, Facebook Marketplace. The cams were never installed, but open box as well, Facebook Marketplace. It has solid motor mounts in there, stage 4 clutch, light flywheel, headers, Facebook Marketplace. I mean, good build, very good build. We're going to stretch this girl out today, guys. Half throttle, full throttle? Half throttle, full throttle, or just... No, just like that. Do it again. So shout out to Izzy at RP Tuned. This guy is so cool, man. I swear this is the coolest Honda guru I ever met. This is my first time getting a car tuned, so I've never had any car tuned. But the Honda V3, he got it dialed in the beginning. He's gonna work some dyno runs, some first test pulls. It is a HA Motorsports ECU P28 chipped. Shout out to Izzy. I did not actually have the right jumper harness that jumps my OBD2 to OBD1, and the computer's a P28. He had one there. He was finding it high and low, looking through his shop, calling his customers, his employees. He finally found one, and I was willing to buy it from him. He came in clutch, or else I wouldn't have gotten it tuned that this day. These are all cars that he's working on at the shop. I don't know if they're his or customers. I'm pretty sure these are customers' cars. I asked to get permission to record. So when I show up, I took it off the trailer. I installed my 750cc injectors inside of his shop. He let me do all that inside, right there next to the dyno. Bring your own tools. I did. I brought a jack. He did give me a connector, and that connector was used to give power to the gauges on my pillars, on my pod pillar, my 3-pod pillar. But other than that, I pretty much had my own stuff. Oh, except for the wrong jumper. So that right there was the first pull of him just, just trying to dial it in, tuning. That's what tuning is about. He's tuning air fuel ratio, checking everything out and getting it dialed in for the first pull, hard pull.